Now we are back standing and we would like to demonstrate the use of the bat in a situation where the opponent is already handcuffed, but still resists. So I ask you to put your arms to the front one more time, and again, I handcuff him, standing on the side here, and make sure both sides are locked. And here again, change, change, that's important.
Die Handfesseln. Achten drauf. Wichtig, arretiert, arretiert. Handgelenk, Wechsel, Wechsel, ganz wichtig.
Alright, so here we have again the standard handcuffing, like you would do in almost all standard situations. But it might happen that he still does not want to do what I told him, so the first possibility is to grab the handcuffs. But since we are in action right now, I wear my gloves. You should never be in action without your gloves on, simply for safety reasons. So now I can grab the handcuffs here and turn them. Now I can transport him. This is my first option, and I can do with bare hands. But I can also use my bat here. I put it underneath his arm, and now I turn it again. This way I can easily force a rebellious opponent to come with me. I'll show it again. My bat goes underneath his arm here. I grab the tip with the other hand and now I turn it until he has to bend his upper body here. This might be a little uncomfortable for him, but now I can transport him. And another possibility is the one that we already explained in another chapter about the bat before. I can put the bat underneath here to use his squeezing lock as a transportation technique. This way I can use the bat as a transportation tool. I'll show it one more time. The tip goes underneath here. I place it inside of my elbow. My hand holds onto my forearm and I can now apply pressure with my hand towards his arm from the outside and with the bat from the inside. This way I can use the lock as a transportation technique. Again, we can use the following to make a person move, no matter if he just doesn't want to sit down or doesn't want to stand up and just passively resists. I put the tip of the bat underneath his arm, into the armpit, and grab the inside of his elbow with my other hand. I pull down here and push the tip upwards. And suddenly he comes with me voluntarily. So this is very practical and his reactions determine how high I push the tip of my bat. I will take the handcuffs off now. So here you saw the use of law enforcement equipment and techniques used for bringing someone before the judge. We will now see another practical application of handcuffs when arresting someone. Normally we work in pairs and therefore use the following technique in pairs as well. I will show you to do it when you are alone, that works as well. But depending on the physical condition of the opponent, it might be very hard to do it alone. We will now simulate a situation in which I try to arrest him, one time slowly and one time fast. Bernd is attacking us. We block and pull him down with his arm locked onto this arm lock on the back. I push him down on the ground with this lock, and it is important here not let go this arm. I have my knee here and there's pressure in this direction. Here I can also put my other knee on his head if I need to, so he cannot move his head.
Hierbei wird sich anbieten in der Situation Taschenlampe.
In this situation, it's very useful to use your flashlight and place it in front of his face, so he's dazzled and has to close his eyes, so his options are limited. Now I increase the pressure in this direction. Give me the other hand, like this. Now I put this hand here and this side as well, and then tighten it up.
Und festziehen.
This situation could work even if you are alone, but only if you are physical superior and well trained. If not, it is way easier to do the same technique with your colleague.
Keine Frage. Okay, dieses werden wir jetzt Ihnen noch mal schneller zeigen. Ein Hand auf den Rücken, los, 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 los! Mach keine Faxen hier, los! Hand rein! Okay, gesichert!
So now you have a short insight into the world of law enforcement equipment, the possibilities, some basic techniques that you can train with a partner, and some stress situations. I hope you liked it, and I'm looking forward to meet you again on another DVD. Bye.